everyone. I don't have much time, but using some super secret methods that I cannot explain here, I have found the true ending of Chainsaw Man. Now I know what you're thinking. The Chainsaw Man ending that we got? Nah. But, what if I told you part 3 is happening? And it is real, and I have a teaser for it. So without further ado, I'm gonna show it to you all. Roll it!
You've been tabled!
How many times are you gonna fall for table? You can't keep getting tabled! Happy April Fool's Day, everyone. Later.